Ukwu community in Agwata local government area, the extended Ezeife family, other relatives, friends and well-wishers have celebrated a centenary birthday anniversary of Ide's Justice Ukwu Debelo Chinwike Ezeife JP. Correspondent Joseph Ebocha gathered that the justice, born in 1923, is the first person from the community and the second in the old Agwata local government to obtain a BA degree from the University of London, among other feats achieved. His report.
The celebration, which commenced with church service at Holy Trinity Anglican Church in Ukwu, was attended by the traditional ruler of Ogidi community, Igbo pharmacist Alex Onyido, his Igbo community, Dunukofe local government area counterpart, Igbo Dr. Robert Eze, members of DMGS Old Boys Association, Okada Assistant Council of Knights, Idu Royal Cabinet, among other dignitaries. In his sermon at the church, the Anglican Bishop of Nnewi Diocese, the Right Reverend Ndubisi Obi, who recalled the humble beginning, academic pursuit and teaching career at DMGS, as well as positive contributions of the celebrants to the growth of the church and development of the community, said celebrating 100 years is a clear manifestation of God's blessings and favor. He thanked the church and the Ukwu community for investing in the life of the celebrant when mostly needed, and the celebrant for repairing the kind gestures, reminding all that life without societal impact is not worth living, and that Christianity is not practiced inside the church only, but in the larger society. In their separate remarks, Igwe Onyido of Ogidi, Professor Ezeife on behalf of Idu Royal Cabinet Ukwu, and the member-elect for Agwata Federal Constituency, Engineer Dom Okafo, thanked God for sound mental health given to the celebrant, whom they emphasized did much for God and humanity. President General of DMGS Old Boys Association, Dr. Eric Anazodo, another member, Professor Anthony Abata, and the chairman of the centenary birthday celebration, Professor Uchenna Nwosu, described the celebrant as a man of so many firsts, one of the finest products of DMGS, great teacher and mentor, whose achievements in the 100 years are being celebrated, and prayed he enjoys more years in good health.
So he is a trailblazer, and God has blessed him abundantly. He has lived true to our core values of integrity, honesty, hard work, excellence. And like I said, we are very, very proud of him.
At a reception in his honor at Ihukaba, Ezeife village Ukwu, the centenarian Sir Julius, who earlier during church service read prayer of dedication, thanked all who gathered to celebrate with him, urging all to continue to have faith in God, live righteous life, and help those in need. From Ukwu in Agwata local government area, Joseph Ebocha reporting for ABS News.